ของรายการ Money Biz นะคะอย่างที่บอกกันค่ะวันนี้เทปพิเศษของเรานะคะอยู่ที่มาเลเซียค่ะและตอนนี้นะคะปัดก็อยู่ที่ธนาคารกรุงเทพนะคะสาขาเบอร์หาดด้วยค่ะแล้วก็อยู่กับผู้บริหารของเรานะคะมิสเตอร์โรเบิร์ตบรูคค่ะ Executive นะคะแล้วก็ CEO ของ Bangkok Bank เบอร์หาดค่ะ Hello สวัสดีค่ะ
ครับ
Yes. First question, as we are here in Malaysia, I would like to ask you about the perspective about Malaysia economics and focus on monetary for the next coming year.
Well, I think the economy here has done well in 2012. In 2013, barring any major unforeseen global situation, I think the economy can repeat itself. Okay? But there are some areas of concern that we do look at. Of course, not so much as the domestic side. The concerns are mainly focused on the global economy, whether the U.S. situations will improve further, or the European situation would what happen to Europe, or even in China. If the global situation is calm, doesn't have a sudden big collapse, Malaysia should be doing well. Okay, and this year's economic growth will probably carry on to next year.
Yeah, and about political issues, like we have already the Barack Obama for the leader of the United States, and also China, Japan, and also in Malaysia that you are going to have election.
Yes, in Malaysia, there will be a coming election soon. The timing of it is, of course, very much left to the government. But there must be an election within the next few months. Okay, so I think the marketplace is expecting it, and people are adopting a wait and see attitude on how the election goes, especially towards further investments. Okay, so that is an area that we as a bank as well are watching our customers, and our customers are watching the political scene.
Yeah, but actually as I'm a foreigner come here from Thailand, since I've arrived here at airport, and the guide told me that actually Malaysia is so interested country because of the industry going up with the the AEC would be more benefit for this country. What would you think in the coming before AEC period?
Well, the AEC period has, I think a lot of the things that is needed to fulfill the AEC period have already taken place. So there are a few major initiatives to go, but I think the various tariffs have been lowered, and even in the capital markets, Malaysia has already opened up and liberalized to quite a large extent. I think some of these measures will further continue as the AEC initiative takes place in 2015. But I see it as a progressive steps rather than any major evolution or major jump when 2015 comes. I don't think you can expect that. I think what you can expect is a continuous sort of a steady progression towards a common market.
Yeah, and let's focus to the banking sector. We have seen many foreigner international bank here. According to Bangkok Bank, that we are growing very strong and have a strong position in Malaysia. What would you say about the competitiveness of Bangkok Bank compared to other banks in here?
Well, we have our own niche. We are a niche bank here. As a small foreign bank in Malaysia, we adopt basically a niche strategy. Primarily positioning ourselves towards the mid caps and the SME markets. In that area, we have developed our differentiation factor. We are basically a very relationship-oriented company. We are known to support the local businessmen very well and foster long-term outlook, long-term strategic positioning rather than a short-term manner of dealing with our customer, and that is very much appreciated by our customers. So yes, I think all banks, all new banks, foreign banks or whatever, you have to develop your own differentiation factor if you want to compete successfully in this market.
Yeah, and about Bangkok Bank Berhad that we are here, how many Thai customer compared to like Malaysia or others country here?
Well, when we came into this country 50 over years ago, we are basically following our Thai customers. But even in those early days, the bank here has penetrated into the local market, and we currently do have sufficient amount of Thai customers, but we are also very much in terms of our way we look at the market, we are very much a local bank in that sense that we look at the local market to help in the development of this country, not just on the Thai flows.
Yeah, and okay, just for the last question, would you say something to invite Thai customer to invest here in Malaysia? How the opportunities of the income or like AEC we have to go abroad?
Yes, I think in the past or even until presently, most Thai companies have sort of looked towards North Asia. But I would make a plea for Thai companies to take a second look at Malaysia because there are quite a number of sectors here. And the country here is not, yes, it's not a very big market, say like Indonesia or China, but it has a sufficient number of people. There are about 30 million people here. And the GDP per capita is much higher than some of the neighboring countries. So as a market size, it is not that small. And there are niches here where I think Thai company can do well, especially in areas like food, agriculture, where there is traditional Thai strengths.
Yeah, so here is very thankful for joining our program, Mr. Robert. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
ค่ะคุณผู้ชมคะงั้นเดี๋ยวช่วงนี้นะคะเราไปพักกันสักครู่ค่ะช่วงหน้ากลับมานะคะดูสีสันบรรยากาศการลงทุนและเศรษฐกิจของมาเลเซียกันต่อค่ะ
ข้อมูลโดยวารสารการเงินธนาคาร
คลาสสิกโกฟิวเจอร์อนาคตทองเรามองขาด
Canon Image Formula สแกนเนอร์ที่ช่วยให้การจัดเก็บเอกสารเป็นเรื่องง่าย